विसव उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. वास्को रेल्वे पुलिसांनी गोवा ते ओडिशा वचपी अमरावती एक्सप्रेसा वयल्या 2 प्रवाशांक अटक करून अबकारी खात्याचे सुवाधीन केला. तांचे कडेन सुमार 7,000 रुपयांच्यो सोऱ्याच्यो बाटल्यो जप्त केल्यात म्हूण म्हायती अबकारी खात्यान दिल्या. फुडलो तपास चालू आसा म्हूण ते उलयला. आरटेक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Vasco Railway Police has handled us 2 accused who were carrying illegal liquor of Indian-made foreign liquor, 84 bottles, and the worth of rupees is nearly 6,930. And they were carrying the liquor to Orissa, and both accused from Orissa, namely Rakesh Barik was from Orissa, and Balaram Das, he also from Orissa, from Amravati train, and they had been caught in the morning 7 o'clock and brought to our custody in Excise department, and we have to book the case against both of accused for section 8 possession and transaction of liquor of Goa Excise Duty Act, because they were not carried the permit for the transportation of goods. Since we had booked the case against them, and they have been brought in our custody, and further investigation now we are doing our process now.